What is a pomelo? This type of citrus fruit is closely related to grapefruit and has many similarities in terms of taste, texture, and appearance. Pomelo is also incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed as is, or used to make smoothies, salads, mixed drinks, and desserts. The pomelo taste is very similar to that of the grapefruit, and its benefits are also similar to grapefruit. Pomelo fruit is a good source of several important micronutrients, including vitamin C, copper, potassium, and thiamine. Plus, each serving is low in pomelo calories yet packed with fiber to keep you feeling full between meals. Health benefits: 1. Boosts immune function. Pomelo fruit is a great vitamin C food, an important water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in immune health. Studies show that getting enough vitamin C in your diet can reduce symptoms and shorten the duration of respiratory tract infections, including the common cold. Pomelos are also loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that help block the formation of harmful free radicals in the body to prevent cell damage and oxidative stress. According to one study out of Spain, antioxidants may even protect against damage to immune cells and boost the body's resistance to infectious pathogens. 2. Supports digestive health. Like other fruits and veggies, pomelos are high in fiber, packing nearly 2 grams into every cup. Fiber is an essential nutrient associated with a number of health benefits, especially when it comes to digestive health. In fact, research shows your intake of dietary fiber can promote regularity and reduce the risk of digestive conditions such as hemorrhoids, stomach ulcers, and acid reflux. 3. Protects against chronic disease. Pomelo fruits contain a wide array of antioxidants, including flavonoids such as naringin and naringenin, which are also commonly found in other citrus fruits, like grapefruit, lemons, limes, oranges, and yuzu fruit. 4. Can reduce cholesterol levels. Several promising animal models have found that adding pomelo fruit to your diet could reduce cholesterol levels. 5. May help fight cancer cell growth. Although more research is needed in humans, some studies in animals have found that the antioxidants and polyphenols found in pomelo fruit could potentially help slow the growth of cancer cells. 6. Slows signs of aging. Pomelo is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which are important compounds that can help slow signs of aging by protecting against damage caused by free radicals. In addition, many varieties are high in gallic acid, which has anti-aging effects. 7. Contains antimicrobial properties. Interestingly enough, some research shows that pomelo could have antimicrobial properties, which could be effective against harmful strains of bacteria and fungus.